Cursive lowercase j. Begin at your baseline with an undercurve, slant, which goes halfway into the line below, loop back, leading straight into an overcurve. Undercurve, slant, loop back, overcurve. When you're just practicing the J by itself, you don't need to have such a huge overcurve, but I do want you to understand that this will lead into your next letter. So you can practice where it's slightly smaller or shorter. Do you notice how the first part of the J is very similar to an I? And just like an I, you need to make sure you go back and dot the J. I'm going to skip a line since you'll notice how the J goes into the line below. Some of the words that you can practice: joke, J, O, K, E, dot your J. Now this is the part that I was telling you about with that overcurve, that when I came down with this loop back, my overcurve led directly into the arc of my O. I have another example with the J-O with the word jobs. J, loop back, overcurve directly into the O. The check stroke from the O goes straight into the B. Check stroke from the B goes straight into the S. Then dot your J. Jobs has a lot of tricky transitions, so don't forget that you should be practicing each of these words at least 3 times. The next word is just. J, U, S, T. Lift up your pencil, cross your T, dot your J. Now when you write the word just, you will feel the transition between the J and the U slightly different than the transition from the J to the O. From the J to the O, we had more of an overcurve because that overcurve was leading into the arc of the O. Whereas a U begins with an undercurve. So the flow of your pencil from your loop back felt slightly different. Here's another word with the J-U in the beginning is juice. J-U-I-C-E. Lift up your pencil, dot your I and your J. One more word that you can practice, which will help you with your overcurve, is jar. J, loop back, overcurve straight into the arc of the A. Lift up your pencil, dot your J.